Hey fashionistas! Are you ready to transform your wardrobe into a chic and aesthetic paradise? Today, I'll be sharing all the tips and tricks you need to create a stunning and personalized collection that reflects your unique style. Let's dive into the art of crafting an aesthetic wardrobe that's bound to turn heads and inspire others. Are you in? Let's do this! First one. Define your style. Start by identifying the style you're drawn to, whether it's minimalist, bohemian, edgy, or a mix of different styles. Defining your style can help you make a positive impression on others, feel confident, and be comfortable in your own skin. It can also help you when shopping, planning looks, and deciding what to keep in your wardrobe. Second, declutter your wardrobe. Go through your current clothes and declutter items that no longer fit your style or that you don't wear anymore. It's easier to see what you have and decide on an outfit when your closet is less cluttered. Third, invest in basics. Purchase essential items like well-fitting jeans, basic tops in neutral colors, and versatile outerwear that can be easily mixed and matched. Fourth, add statement pieces. Introduce statement pieces such as unique prints, bold colors, or trendy accessories to add flair to your outfits. Statement pieces can be a fun and creative way to express your style and personality through your clothing. For example, a bold printed blazer, a colorful statement necklace, or a textured bag can add a unique touch to any outfit. Fifth, organize your wardrobe. Arrange your clothes by color, style, or occasion to make it easier to put together outfits and see what you have. When everything is visible and accessible, you can see your options more clearly and avoid buying duplicates or things you don't need. 6. Experiment and have fun. Don't be afraid to mix different pieces, try new combinations, and experiment with your style to create unique and aesthetic looks. By following these steps, you can gradually build a wardrobe that reflects your personal aesthetic and makes getting dressed a creative and enjoyable process. Hope this video was useful. Don't forget to subscribe for more fashion content. See you in next video.